Got the engine all torn down. Just checking over everything. Some goop in there. Got the head. And then, see the big mark on the piston, timing chain. Got all that off. A little discoloration on the rod from being hot. Bottom end feels good though. And a little bit of side to side, but not in the rod. That's good. I'll probably split the bottom anyway, but got this taken apart. Got my engine stuff box separate from the body panels. Yeah, that's what I'm up to now. Just making progress. Yeah, it doesn't look too good. There is some of that looking stuff in the oil guides of the upper part of this. Cam looks pretty bad too, and the gear is all ate up from the chain coming off, but nothing that can't be replaced. Thought I'd show you guys some progress. I'll come back with some more soon. See ya.